Okay, day 8 in self-isolation, Friday the 27th of March. How's your day been today, Rosie?
Good.
Why has it been good? What have you been up to?
Making cake
Making cake, yeah.
and I put in egg,
Yeah, put eggs in there,
flour,
flour,
salt, sugar,
sugar.
eggs.
Yeah, we said eggs and butter, is it?
Yeah.
Okay, so you and Harry and Mummy made cakes. Did me and you do some
I told
drawing?
that.
Did we do some drawing today, colouring in? I drew you some animals, didn't I? What animals were they? Can you remember?
Dog,
Dog.
bunny, cat.
Yeah, you coloured them in really good.
And I played the big bar game on myself. I did on my tablet.
Yeah.
Then I watched and see what it is. You get a prize when you finish it.
Brilliant. I thought it was something else. Did we do the frozen pears game?
Yeah, and we did that.
I won, didn't I?
Yeah, no, I did.
Oh, how many did you get?
30?
16.
16.
How many did I get?
6.
8.
8.
So you were the winner.
If you had 2 and I was, and I got 16,
Yeah.
I was the winner.
Yeah.
I was the winner.
Did you play outside today?
Yeah, we played up a new game called Anna and Elsa again.
Yeah.
With Mummy and Harry and me.
And football?
Yep, and I played the watch game. What you put a watch on.
Yeah.
Harry needs to find a pair of the letter what begins with it. And you see what you do with the card. You have to think what you do with the card. Because I know what you do with your card. You put it somewhere else in the dump bin, okay?
Okay. And if you were going to give today...
No, I got some more.
Oh.
And I played the blind game. So you get a blind, pull the blind down, and see who's the winner of getting the blind all away.
Okay. So, if you were given today a score out of 10, 1 is rubbish, 10 is brilliant.
1,000.
1,000 again. Okay.
See you later. Bye.
Bye.